Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. The viewers, in front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Nagar Launcher. So just open it. And here, as you can see, we can choose favorite apps, and we have home screen and main menu, and all in one screen. So if you wanna find any application, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and, for example, find the Play Store. Play Store is here. Cool. So it's really great launcher. But on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Smart Launcher 6 is really beautiful launcher with beautiful interface, beautiful icons. It's functional because here, as you can see, we have the news. Here we have apps grouping features that groups up, grouping apps in their groups, categories. And we have really cool wallpapers gallery here. This wallpapers gallery is really amazing. This wallpapers gallery is updating every day, and you can enjoy really great free wallpapers using this smart launcher. And of course Microsoft Launcher, but we need to set it up. Click OK, and here on the left side of our screen, first home screen, we have the Glance panel. In Glance in Glance we can set up all widgets we need, all widgets we have, all widgets we want. Here we have main menu with the alphabetical line. As you can see, here we have the alphabetical line. It's really great too. We have the search, voice search, hide apps feature, and the killer feature of this launcher is the gestures. So here in gestures you can set up, for example, double tap, and for example calculator. For example, we can open calculator using the double tap right now. Double tap, and cool, calculator was successfully opened. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.